Practicing relaxation, meditation, at work or at home every day or week will benefit anyone. No matter what your job, you can find a place to relax for 15 minutes at work, and the same can be said for home. Once you have practiced successfully, you can lead a relaxation meditation session for your family or for your colleagues. We should practice relaxation meditation at work every day. If we get sick, we cannot work effectively and may even have to take time off work. Therefore, dedicating 15 minutes to relaxation meditation after every 3 or 4 hours of work is a very practical thing to do, which helps reduce costs for the company. You can guide the meditation session yourself, and you will find it very enjoyable. When you are able to make everyone comfortable and happy, your happiness will be many times greater. We can use the following instructions to guide the group in relaxation. You can invite a bell to be rung at the beginning and end of the session. If practicing alone, you can listen to a guided meditation from a CD. Lie comfortably on your back with your arms resting at your sides. Relax your whole body. Be aware of the floor or mattress beneath your back and feel the contact between your back and the floor or mattress. Allow your body to sink down. Now, pay attention to your in-breath and out-breath. Follow your breath and be aware of the rise and fall of your abdomen. In, out, rising, falling, rising, falling, breathing in, breathing out. We feel our whole body is light, like a floating duckweed on the water surface. No need to go anywhere, no need to do anything. We are as free as a flying cloud. Breathing in, be aware of your eyes. Breathing out, relax your eyes. Let your eyes rest. Breathing in, release the muscles around your eyes. Breathing out, send love to your eyes. Thank your eyes. For thanks to them, we can see so many colors, so many beautiful things. Breathing in, be aware of your mouth. Breathing out, relax your mouth. Release all tension in your mouth. Your lips are a flower petal. Let the flower bloom on your lips. Smile so that hundreds of muscles on your face are relaxed. The muscles in your cheeks, jaw, and chin are no longer tense.
Breathing in, be aware of your shoulders. Breathing out, relax your shoulders. Allow your shoulders to sink down to the floor, letting go of all the accumulated tension down to the ground. Your shoulders have been heavy for so long. Now allow your shoulders to be completely at ease. Breathing in, be aware of your arms. Breathing out, relax your arms. Allow your arms to sink down to the floor. Relax your upper arms, elbows, forearms, wrists, hands, fingers. Gently move your fingers for added relaxation. Breathing in, be aware of your heart. Breathing out, relax your heart. For a long time, the way we eat, work, worry, and get stressed has unintentionally abused our heart. Our heart works day and night without rest. Now, we are embracing our heart with all our tenderness, love, and care. Breathing in, be aware of your legs. Breathing out, relax your legs. Relax your thighs, knees, calves, ankles, feet, toes. Gently move your toes for added relaxation. Send love and care all the way to your toes. Pay attention to your breath and the rise and fall of your abdomen. Follow your breath and be aware of your hands and feet. Gently move your hands and feet. Gently sit up and stand up. Practice this for 5 minutes or longer, and you can also modify the above instructions to suit your circumstances. This practice directs attention to each part of the body, including the head, hair, ears, neck, lungs, internal organs, e.g., the digestive system, and any part that needs care and healing. We embrace each part of our body, sending love, gratitude, and care with every in-breath and out-breath.